Thank you so much for your love and support once again with new episode, and this time we will discuss about improper quotings. So when you will create a YAML file, use or skip quote incorrectly in YAML, some values are misinterpreted and parsing error occurs. Like colon, special characters or space inside the value, they confuse YAML parser if you don't use quotes properly. And this is especially happen with env dot values command. When this type of means env dot value commands and args annotation and labels. Okay, so let's have one YAML. And same time I'll create a pod also, so I'll copy this YAML file, I'll paste and I'll save. I'll not show you where the mistake is. Just apply and you'll find the error message why pod is created. I'll insert pod.yaml. Pod is still created. Where pod line number 13 could not expect this. Apply key. So I will edit pod.yaml and instead I will make colon only. You will find that error converting JSON and line number 13. So you can easily go to the line number 13, or here error parsing pod error converting YAML to JSON. Line number 13 couldn't find the expected this one. Okay, or sometime you can find that did not find expected key. So now I will edit the same. Just go to the line number 13. So colon 13. Here line number 13 is not present, so here you will find that space is required. A apply -f for done wonderfully. So did not find expected key means you will sometime find codes or sometime specific codes were missing. Okay, here I'll make a space also, then you will find one another error. Test is invalid, forbidden, unprinted, specs container. Big error means spec termination grace period allow one progressively. So go to the upside and you will find the pod inventory is invalid, forbidden pod may did not change the field, spec container image. Grace allow it to be set to 1, previously negative. So if you are interested, just env test is invalid. If you see means if you have a time, then you will find here knows something, but here you will find one additional thing. Here one space is already there which is not expected. Okay, in JSON file space doesn't matter, so here additionally space is inserted in between Postgres. So just make this correction. Database URL, so database URL here wq pod.yaml. Now the pod invent unchanged. Okay, means pod is there only. So thank you for your love and support. We'll meet in another episode. Thank you so much for your love and support once again.